My video about how reggaeton, its first beginnings were in Panama by black Panamanians of Jamaican descent, Afro-Antilles people, such as my family, and I got a lot of racist comments about black people, Jamaicans, black Panamanians, the most racist, xenophobic comments. And we all know from who. You can look at the video. So anyways, let's clear the air and have a little geography lesson. Okay, cool. And I'm gonna say it slower because TikTok comprehension levels are at an all-time low, so I gotta be sympathetic. Jamaica, the country. Jamaica, the country, is geographically in Latin America. Panama, the country, is obviously geographically located in Latin America. If you're understanding this far, you're doing such a good job. In Panama, we have two groups of black people. One, the descendants of the slaves who were there during the transatlantic slave trade. They are called Afro-colonials. And the other group, the Afro-Antilles Panamanians, and these Panamanians are mostly descendants of Jamaican workers who went to build our canal. They can also come from Haiti, St. Lucia, Barbados. African Americans came too, Grenada, but the vast majority came from Jamaica. And in the late 1800s, early 1900s, they were shit out of luck returning home. Of course, after the canal's construction, they settled and built their own communities in places like Colon or Boca Toro, and since blended with the Afro-colonials, the native population, and very rarely the white people of the population as well. Nowadays, you can hear an Afro-Antilles Panamanian speaking Spanish, Guari, and Patois. So yes, most of us are trilingual. And you can find Afro-Antilles Panamanians in the United States and New York living amongst Jamaicans. In Queens, you can find us all over Queens. And because of that, my mother grew up there too. Just like how Jamaica and Haiti are geographically Latino, but very much Caribbean, we obviously are geographically Latino, but culturally, we are just as Caribbean as any other Jamaican, Haitian, St. Lucian, etc., etc. So yes, black Panamanians of Jamaican descent are both Latino, geographically and culturally Caribbean. We also have living cousins in Jamaica we send money to and visit. But people don't notice, or they do and are extremely racist towards us as they try to assign an identity to us. Our recent ancestors are from the Antilles, Jamaica, Haiti, Grenada, but since being shit out of luck for work, our ancestors settled, built their own communities, and created a distinct culture. Does that make sense? Cool.